Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Annisa Nurul Fitri, NPM 244120007, Accounting Class 24A. Here I will explain material about focus group discussion. 1. Definition of focus group discussion, FGD. Focus group discussion, commonly known as FGD, is a method used to collect qualitative data by bringing together a small group of individuals to discuss a specific topic. Typically involving 6 to 12 participants, the session is guided by a moderator, who facilitates the flow of conversation. The purpose of the discussion is to gather various perspectives, uncover deep insights, and allow participants to freely express their thoughts and experiences. Rather than aiming for consensus, an FGD seeks to explore the richness of individual opinions within a group setting. 2. Objectives of conducting FGD. The main objective of conducting an FGD is to gain a deeper understanding of how people think and feel about a particular issue. This method is often used in fields such as social research, business development, healthcare, and education. FGDs help researchers identify motivations, attitudes, needs, and expectations. They also support decision-makers by providing real-world input that can shape policies, programs, and products. Through group interaction, participants may spark new thoughts in each other, leading to richer data than individual interviews can provide. 3. Characteristics of FGD. FGDs have several distinctive features that set them apart from other data collection techniques. First, the discussion is centered on a specific theme or issue. Second, participants are encouraged to interact with each other, making the session dynamic and often spontaneous. Third, the environment is designed to be informal and open, helping participants feel comfortable sharing their views. Lastly, the data collected is qualitative, meaning that it's expressed in the form of words and meanings, not numbers or statistics. 4. Key components in an FGD. Several essential elements make up a successful FGD. The first is the moderator, who guides the discussion, ensures equal participation, and keeps the conversation on track. Next are the participants, selected based on their relevance to the topic being studied. A note-taker or observer is also needed to document important insights and nonverbal cues during the session. Lastly, the discussion guide, a list of prepared open-ended questions, helps structure the flow of conversation while leaving room for flexibility based on participants' responses. 5 stages in conducting an FGD. The process of conducting an FGD usually follows 4 stages. First is the planning stage, which involves setting objectives, selecting participants, and preparing the discussion guide. The second is the preparation stage, which includes logistical arrangements such as scheduling, setting up the room, and briefing the team. The third is the implementation stage, where the actual discussion takes place. It begins with a warm welcome, ground rules and introductions, followed by the main discussion and finally, a closing summary. The last stage is analysis and reporting, where the data is transcribed, themes are identified, and a final report is produced. 6. Advantages of using FGD. FGDs offer several advantages for researchers and practitioners. One major benefit is the ability to gather diverse viewpoints quickly and efficiently. The group format encourages interaction and idea sharing, often revealing unexpected insights. Because the setting is informal, participants may feel more relaxed and willing to speak openly. Additionally, FGDs can be a cost-effective way to collect rich, detailed information in a relatively short time. 7. Common challenges in FGD. Despite its strengths, conducting an FGD is not without challenges. Sometimes, dominant individuals may overshadow quieter participants, leading to unbalanced input. Others might be hesitant to speak due to cultural or social barriers. The moderator must also avoid showing bias or leading the discussion in a particular direction. Another challenge is keeping the discussion focused, as conversations can easily stray from the main topic. Lastly, managing time while ensuring everyone has spoken can be tricky, especially in a lively group. 8 practical tips for an effective FGD. To ensure an FGD runs smoothly, several best practices should be followed. First, create a safe and respectful environment where participants feel comfortable expressing themselves. The moderator should remain neutral, actively listen, and encourage quieter members to contribute. Using open-ended questions helps generate deeper responses. Time management is also key. Each topic should receive adequate attention without rushing or dragging. Finally, ensure thorough documentation, whether through note-taking, audio recording, or both, to support accurate analysis afterward.